that I feel no pain, no discomfort. I'm completely, that was a great experience so far.
I will not recommend anybody else except Dr. Bolton. He's the only doctor who make it possible, who told me, yes, I can do something.
I did. I'm very happy. I mean, I could not ask for more.
Look at what a difference a year makes.
Absolutely.
I mean, look at the hairline. I mean, this is created here because this wasn't here. As of 3 years ago, I had no hairline. It's just amazing. I'm extremely happy with it.
It was fun. We watched a movie, we watched a good movie, we are all laughing in the rooms, you don't feel anything. The team are excellent.
The results couldn't be any better than what I expected, actually way beyond what I expected. He does a fabulous job. I would recommend him to anyone whatsoever.